Hello and welcome to a new HiCAD short clip. In this video I would like to introduce you to the improvements in drawing detailing and especially itemization. A highlight of Service Pack 2 is the revision of the form and positional tolerances. With the new dialog you can configure a tolerance indicator much more extensively and conveniently than before. The toolbar with all important functions is located in the upper area. Below that, the tolerance indicator is displayed. In the lower area, there are further configuration options. The specification is entered in the first field. A graphic illustration helps with the selection. The second field is for entering the tolerance. The three fields on the right are for the references. Further indicators and an additional text can be added in the line. More information with symbols can be entered above and below the lines. After dropping the tolerance indicator, the dialog opens again. You can now make small changes or load more complex specifications from the favorites. Then, the reference symbol can also be included in the next step. When placing the tag, you can select dimension lines and specify inflection points directly via the right mouse button. As with annotation tags, you can define additional base points and inflection points via the context menu. Let's continue with the topic itemization. In the itemization options on the Attributes tab, there are new ways of sorting. For the example shown, the article master must be activated as a distinguishing criterion. With Service Pack 2, numbers in the text are sorted by default based on their size and are no longer treated as a text. For attributes with a predefined list, including multi-language lists, the order of values can be changed. Article reference attributes can also be added. Here, for example, I've added the attribute customer name from the object customer. When carrying out the itemization, you can see how the item numbers are correctly assigned based on the article numbers. For comparison, I re-itemize this time with the part types as the first sorting criterion. Here too, you can clearly see that the assemblies are itemized first, then the pipeline, and finally the aggregates. The assemblies are defined as products. This allows the automatic itemization to be used in an even better and more reliable way. Finally, something about colors. In some views, the display of the parts is changed, similar to what can be seen here at the top left. So that you don't have to change the color of the parts in other views that also need this representation, there is now the possibility to simply transfer the representation. The function is called up via the context menu of the view. Here you can specify what is to be transferred. Several views can also be selected as the target view. Click OK to transfer the representation. By the way, this function can also be applied to multiple views. In this case, the selected views are entered as the target view. You only have to select the original view. This should save a lot of time when designing your drawings. That was it for now. I hope you enjoyed it and wish you lots of fun designing with HiCAD.